Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is artist Rabia from Pakistan. Today I wanna show you how to remove the pimples not naturally but in Photoshop. So let's start. Before starting guys, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel so that you can get new videos like this. So let's start. I'm pressing Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Change blend mode to vivid light. Go to the filter, other and high pass. Increase the radius until blemishes get disappear. Hit OK. Again go to the filter and blur and Gaussian blur. Increase the radius gradually. Hit OK. Now create a layer mask. Press on this and press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Take this brush tool and start painting. You can see I've taken the floor 16%. You can take it according to your taste.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
go. Guys, I'm increasing the resolution from here to 150. Hit OK. So you can see guys the magic. This is before and this is after. Just wow. Okay guys, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get the new videos like this. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.